If you're experiencing login issues on Public 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try connecting to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you are using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 4. Update the app or browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of the public app or your web browser. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve login issues. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Public's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Public 2026. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.